Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Format Painter in Word documents. This handy tool allows you to quickly copy all the formatting from one piece of text and apply it to another, saving you a lot of time. You'll find its icon, which looks like a paintbrush, right on the Home tab within the Clipboard group. It's a fantastic feature for maintaining consistent styling throughout your document with just a few clicks. To apply formatting just once, begin by selecting the text that already has the desired look. This could be a heading with a specific font size and color, or a paragraph with unique spacing. After selecting, simply click the Format Painter icon one time. Your cursor will change to a paintbrush. Now, click or drag over the text you want to format, and the style will be instantly applied. Then the tool deactivates. When you need to apply the same formatting to several different places, double-clicking the Format Painter is your best friend. Start by selecting your source text, then quickly double-click the paintbrush icon. This keeps the tool active. You can now click and drag over as many different sections of text as you need. Once you are finished applying all the styles, simply press the Escape key to deactivate the Format Painter. Format Painter is incredibly versatile. Did you know you can copy an entire paragraph's formatting, including its indents and line spacing, by selecting the paragraph mark at the end? It also works wonders for copying styles between shapes, pictures, and other objects, not just text. For even greater efficiency, remember the keyboard shortcuts: Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy formatting, and Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste it. These tips will make your document styling much faster.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.